Okay, gents, we're going to have a theory lesson on breadboarding today, having a look at how a breadboard works and wiring one up. So there'll be a lot of practical involved. We've been through this before, but these rails on the right are called the bus rails. We've got the high rail, and then we've got another low rail. We've got exactly the same on the other side. And the idea behind that is so that components can be taken high or low on either side of the breadboard. So the first thing to do is connect the power. I've got a USB cable. What I've done with the USB cable is slightly strip the ends, and I'm just going to show you there. Just bring it over. Can you see? So I've probably taken another 5 millimeters of the plastic off of the wire, and that allows me to push the wire quite a long way into the terminals. The terminals I'm going to use are these ones down at the bottom, making sure that the red one goes into the red side and also the blue one goes into the black side. Sorry, the black one goes into the blue side. Okay, this can be a bit fiddly, right? Once you've stripped it, you probably want to give it a good turn. That makes it just a little bit more rigid, I would say. It's probably the right word to use. And that allows you to go into those holes just a little bit easier. I would do one at a time. So once you've got one in, it's a little bit difficult. But then you want to try and get the other one in as well. It's getting that piece of solder in. Once that piece of solder's in, and then really it's not that hard at all. So that's in that cable. I'm now going to, many of you see me do this before, I'm going to get myself some masking tape, probably about 30 centimeters, and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom of the board. There we go, and that just holds that power cable into position. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my high and high, my low and low, my high and high, my low and low, and then I'm going to go across the board as well. And so all of my board is connected. And I'm not going to do that live, but I'll come back and show you in just 2 ticks. Okay, so I've now joined my bus rails together. The red is joining the red, the black is joining the blue, the red is joining the red, the black is joining the blue, and up here you can also see both the bus rails have been joined together so that either side I can use as a high or either side I can use as a low. All right, get on and do that then, chaps.